Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. Today we are going to be doing a salsa workout that is going to be from levels 1 to 5, meaning 1 is beginner and 5 is advanced. By the way, we are making a new program, so if you would like to be the first to hear when it goes live, click the link in the description below to sign up. Alrighty guys, level 1. We are gonna have a basic, a side basic. We're going to have a cross back and a cross forward. Get ready. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Keep this up. We have a left foot forward and right foot back. Very good. Get ready, side basic. Very good. Keep this up. Very good. We're gonna cross back. Very good, keep it up. Get ready, because we're gonna cross it forward. Very good, keep going. Very good, back to that basic. Side basic. Cross it back. Cross it forward. Back to that basic. And side. Cross it back. And forward. Back to that basic. Side. And cross it back. Bring it forward. And back to that basic. To the side. Done. All right, it is time for our level 2. We have a basic, we have a Susie Q, we have taps, and we have a cross basic. Get ready. We're gonna start with the basic 5, 6, here we go. Very good. Get ready, we're gonna do Susie Q. We go forward, back, cross, cross. Forward, back, cross, cross. Do it again. Forward, back, cross, cross. Forward, back, cross, cross. Back to that basic. Very good. We have our taps. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, go. Side tap. Very good. Keep this up. Side and tap. Very good. We're gonna go back to that basic. Go. We're gonna do this cross basic. Get ready. Watch me. We go forward, forward, side, side, back, back, side, side. Do it again. Forward, forward, side, 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 side. Back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. Basic and Suzy Q, here we go. Basic, Suzy Q. Basic, Suzy Q, taps. Cross basic. Back to that basic, here we go. Basic, Suzy Q, cross it over, go. Do it again. Side taps. Cross basic. And done. Okay, level 3, we are here. We're gonna always have a basic, so we got a basic. We have a slow turn. We have an angled Suzy Q, and we have toe heel crosses. Get ready, we're gonna start with the basic. 5, 6, here we go. Get ready, slow turn, we go. Slow, 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 and back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do an angled Suzy Q. We have cross, 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 cross. Back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. Toe heel cross. Here we go. And toe heel cross. 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 5, 6, 7. Back to that basic. Very good. So with the slow turn, we're gonna do this. We have basic, basic, turn, again basic, basic, and turn, turn. Now we do another basic, and angled Suzy Q. Do it again, basic, angled Suzy Q, basic, toe heel taps, toe heel cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. Full basic, here we go. Basic, slow turn, slow, slow. Basic, slow turn, slow, slow. And basic, angled Suzy Q, cross. Do it again. Basic, angled Suzy Q. Very good, back to that basic. Toe heel. And basic. Very good. Full basic, here we go. Basic, slow, turn, slow, slow. Basic, slow, slow. Basic, and done. Very good, guys. All right, we are at level 4. Here we go. Basic, underarm turn, syncopated toe heel crosses, and continuous crosses. Get ready. We're gonna get a basic in here. 5, 6, 5, basic, go. Very good. We do a basic, turn. Do it again. Basic, turn. Again. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Back to that basic. Get ready. We have a syncopated toe heel taps. And toe heel together, toe heel together, toe heel together, toe heel. And 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Basic. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Another one. Basic. Quick, quick, slow. Quick. Very good. Back to that basic. We're going to do those continuous crosses. We step to the side. First we go like this. Side, cross, 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 tap, side. Cross, 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 tap, side. Cross, 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 tap, side. Cross. Do it again. Side, cross, 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 tap, side. Cross, 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 tap, side. Cross, 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 tap, side. Very good. Back to that basic. Alrighty, guys. Very good. Get ready. Full basic underarm turn. Basic. Turn. Again. Basic. Turn. Full basic. Toe heel taps. Get ready. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Do it again. And side. Here we go. Cross, 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 tap, side. Cross, 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 tap. Alrighty, here we go. It is our 5th and final level. We are going to have a basic. We are going to have a broken underarm turn. We're going to have a chasse, and we are going to do a kick step. Alrighty. Get ready. 5, 6, basic, go. Very good. Full basic. Broken turn. Full basic. Broken turn. Again. Full basic. Turn. And back to that basic. Get ready. We do a basic. Forward, back, basic. That's our chasse. Forward, back, basic. Do it again. Again. And back to that basic. Go. Get ready. We're going to do that kick step. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to that basic. That one's a tricky one. Get ready. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to that basic. Get ready. We're going to do it again. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Back to that basic. Get ready. We're gonna do a broken underarm turn. Basic, here we go. Basic. Broken underarm turn. Basic. Broken underarm turn. Very good. Back to that basic. 5, 6. Get ready for the chasse. Do it again. Back to that basic. Get ready. And kick step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to that basic again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to that basic. Keep that basic up. Get ready. Basic and a broken underarm turn. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. And get ready. Chasse. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.